India has cleared 22 new proposals to manufacture electronic components domestically, bringing nearly 42,000 crore rupees of proposed investment into the supply chain. These approvals are under the Electronics Components Manufacturing Scheme (ECMS). The approved projects together target about 2.6 lakh rupees crore of domestic production in the coming years. Major names include Samsung, Foxconn, Tata Electronics, and Dixon, along with other investors such as ATL Battery Tech, Hindalco Industries, and Motherson Electronic Components. Here's the core issue. India's electronics manufacturing, especially mobiles and computers, has expanded. But imports haven't come down because manufacturers still rely on overseas components with particularly high dependence on China for several parts. Here's the core issue. India's electronics manufacturing, especially mobiles and computers, has expanded. But imports haven't come down because manufacturers still rely on overseas components with particularly high dependence on China for several parts. ECMS is designed to reduce import dependence by building a stronger local component ecosystem. So more of the value sits inside India, not just final assembly. This also aligns with Apple's expanding India footprint. As iPhone production scales, Apple's ecosystem and vendors are stepping up investments to strengthen local supply chains. A production-linked incentive approach helped boost electronics manufacturing earlier. Now, the goal is to replicate that success, this time for components, which is where import dependence is highest. The scheme covers 11 categories of components. Major parts highlighted include printed circuit boards, capacitors, enclosures, and lithium-ion cells. On location, key beneficiary states include Maharashtra and Karnataka, with 4 facilities each. Other major centers include Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana, with 3 facilities each. These 22 approvals follow earlier clearances in 2 tranches, 7 projects of about 5,500 crore rupees, and then 17 proposals of about 7,172 crore rupees. IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav linked the momentum to reforms, enabling policies, and faster execution. Same results are visible sector after sector. He also said 4 chip companies are expected to start commercial production this year, with auto and telecom firms likely to source from them. On progress, units that began pilot production last year, Keynes and CG Semi, are expected to commercialize earlier. Micron has started pilot production and is moving forward next month, and a Tata plant in Assam is expected to start pilot production mid-year and commercial production by year-end. This is a major push to move from assembling electronics to owning more of the component value chain, with investment, capacity, and supply chain resilience as the priority. Moonsys and Management Consultants LLP, a trusted partner for SES and IFSC excellence, a pioneer in establishing SES and IFSC units within GIFT City and India, delivering end-to-end IFSC setup, operational support, and handling complaints, risk management, renowned for deep expertise in regulatory approvals, capital markets, fund management, insurance, finance company, foreign university BATF, and ancillary regulations, and fintech, expertise in customs clearance for aircraft and ship procurement, leasing, GST, DSPF if CSCA, comprehensive support covering registration, reporting, and regulatory transitions, ensuring ring fencing, transparency, and global compliance standards. Join our network, scan the QR codes below to stay connected with us.